Look at my cucumber bed growing. Ah, look at you, cucumber. Come on, cucumber. Look at those beautiful flowers blooming there. Yellow flowers everywhere. Come on, cucumbers. Looking great. Yes, you are. I have to dig down in there and try to open it up some where the cucumbers can get a lot of this sun. What is this? Wait a minute. Do I see a... Look at that. Look at that. Look at that cucumber there. I see you. I see you. Okay. Cucumbers coming in. Good. Okay. Come on. Get bigger for me. Ah. Okay. Cucumber baby. Looking great. Looking great. Okay, okay. That sounds good. It looks good. See my cucumber there. I see you. Look at my corn. The tassels are starting to grow on the corn. Okay, corn looking good. Look at you. Come on, corn. Grow us a lot of corn. Look at my peppers growing. Okay, peppers, come on and get bigger for us. Some basil growing right there. Let's see, I think there's some more peppers growing over here. I see you, I see you. Look at you, look at you, look at you. I see you, peppers. Come on, peppers. Grow big for us. Yes. My garden bed here with cucumbers, corn, and bell peppers and shishito peppers growing in here. Okay, looking over here in my pepper bed. We got a beautiful kale growing over in here too. There's some lettuce, but it's bolted and gone to seed. Look at here. Shishito peppers growing there. There's some bell peppers growing right there. Okay. Come on, peppers. Grow for us. Some more shishito pepper growing right there. Come on, grow. Come on, peppers. Bell peppers, come on and grow. Get big for us. Looking great. Look over here, my tomatoes are growing good. Look at you, I see you. Come on, tomatoes. See them over here too. Okay, tomatoes continue to grow big for us. Out in the rain, but I had to clean up all of those dead leaves off my spaghetti squash area and open up where my squash can breathe and get some more sunshine on them. Okay, squash. All these beautiful yellow blooms. Looking good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Open this area up here so these zucchinis can breathe and grow big for us. Get some more sunlight on them. Come on, zucchini. Grow for us. My squash bed over here is starting to get bigger. Come on. Come on and grow. Y'all are germinated good. Come on and grow us a lot of squash. Look at my big eggplant here looking beautiful. Look at you. Okay. May need to harvest you soon. Looking great, looking great. My squash and zucchini bed over here is finally blooming good. Okay, come on, squash and zucchini. I don't know what this hip plant is. It just automatically just grew on its own in here. We got some nice little red, like red flowers that's gonna come off of that. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Okay. Continue to grow great. Squash looking good.